Hey, what's up, Winner Circle? What's going on? It's your boy, Mr. Numbers. I'm in the building, and today's workout, I'm going to show y'all how to use your individual numbers to get your hits. You know what I'm saying? Again, we're going to use your individual numbers to get your hits. We're going from evening to evening. I'm going to show you the PICK4 and the PICK3. So give this a shot. I'm going to show you my state, what's working. So let's get started. So evening to evening, PICK4 for August 30th, we had 9711. The minus plus minus is definitely working. I repeat, minus plus minus is working for New York. Everybody else, check your state. So we put it through our rundowns, and New York City, your third column is where you're going to pick your individual numbers from. The individual numbers are the previous numbers that came out. So you have 9, 7, and 1. You're going to write it out like how I did it. That's how you pick your individual numbers. And your patterns is as follows. See that 7? We have 6, 6, 5, 4 going around the 7. That's how you pick your pattern. And that's what came out last night. 4, 6, 6, 5. So we know this pattern works. So we'll go to the 9, and we have 8, 4, 3, 2. That follows the pattern. You see that? Then we go to the 1, and we have 0, 2, 1, 0. All follows the pattern. So you have 3 number selections if it's a double. So again, you want to pick your numbers from the third column if you're in New York City. Minus plus minus is definitely working. Take your previous numbers and use the individual numbers, and you're going to have 4 numbers connected to it. That should be your next hit. Now we move on to the evening. So for PICK3, evening is also works. We're going from evening to evening. So the 317 works for this. So we put our 317 through the rundown. We have 344, which came out for August 30th. So once you put it through our rundown, you come back to 344 at the bottom. And now what I want you to do is you're going to pick your individual number from the first column. So we have 3. Around the 3, we have 4, 5, 6. And we go to the 4. And around the 4, we have 1, 2, 7, which came out 172. So we know the individual numbers work for PICK4 and PICK3. Okay, let me go back to the PICK4. So when you're doing your rundown, if your individual numbers stops at row 12, bring it down to like row 15 or row 16. I repeat, if your individual numbers stop at row 12, meaning you can't get the 4 numbers, bring down the grid. Go down 5 more rows. That's how you catch your individual numbers. Because if you look at the 1, it stops at the 12th row. So I had to bring it down so I could get the other 4 numbers around the 1. I forgot to tell y'all that. So make sure you keep note of that. And again, the PICK3, you're going to go to the first column and just pick the 3 numbers around it if you're in New York City. Everybody else, let me know how it's working for you. Give it a shot. I'm guaranteed you're going to find out this works for your state also. So, till next time, take care, Winner Circle. It's Mr. Numbers, and I'm out.